Hello everyone, in today's video, let's show you on how you can loft components in Fusion 360. So the first thing that you want to do is to create your sketch. Now in my case, I'm going to use this surface. And of course, you could customize this to whatever you want to. But in my case, I'm just going to create this simple loft sketch, which is going to be the circle for our base. Click Finish Sketch. And then what you want to do is to put an offset plane. So you want to basically put it in the same plane as where we generated our plane. And from here, you could resize this to whatever you want to. You could use negative or positive depending on your preference. So in my case, I'm going to use or put it at 25 millimeters. Click OK. And simply right after, you want to use the offset plane. Create a new sketch, and from here you then want to draw your second shape that you want to go ahead and loft it with. So let's go ahead and do it this way. Click Finish Sketch, and now that we have these two objects, click Create, click Loft, and then you want to select your first profile, select the second one, and then click OK. Of course, you can also make additional adjustments if you want to. But to make things a lot easier, let's click OK. And basically here we have it. Of course, you could even customize this a lot better if you want to, but this is just the general overall tutorial. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.